There are some cool changes to the iPhone 15 lineup and some familiar features you might recognize from iPhone 14 Pro. I'm Drew Kozub, and I'm going to unbox one of each model of the iPhone 15 and give you an overview of some of the unique features of each. There are 5 brand new colors for the iPhone 15, and we are about to unbox the green version. So these ones have what they're calling color-infused glass. It's a single piece of glass with this textured matte finish. And within the glass, when they're making it, they incorporate these metallic ions at the very early phase when the glass is forged to give it this really unique color. On the side, you will not find the action button on the iPhone 15. That is just something that they're saving for the Pro models of iPhone. You will find a very nice braided USB-C cable in the case because iPhone 15 now uses USB-C. Next up, iPhone Plus in pink. This is the iPhone 15 Plus. It's great for people who want a larger screen but don't necessarily need all the bells and whistles that you would get on the Pro Max models. Now, this has the pink color version, which does look very, very cool in person, reminiscent of bubblegum. Now, there is 2 cameras on there, but they're doing something special with the camera sensor to make it function like a telephoto lens, so it really is almost like there is 3 different cameras on this phone. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus have this aluminum frame with contoured edges, so it feels very nice in your hand, but the back has just the tiniest amount of texture on there, so it doesn't feel like it's going to slip out of your grip. Next up, iPhone 15 Pro. This is iPhone 15 Pro in black. We're going to unbox it together, and I'll talk about a couple of the different features. So this is the new titanium design, which makes the iPhone stronger and lighter. And at first, I didn't really notice that big of a difference, but when you actually start using the phone and typing, especially one-handed, that's when you start to really notice the difference in weight between the previous iPhone 14 Pro and the newest model. There's a customizable action button, so by default there's a menu to scroll through things like launching a camera, entering focus mode, but then you can also customize a specific shortcut. So when you push that button, whatever you want to launch on your iPhone can launch. It comes with a braided USB-C cable, which has transfer speeds of USB 3, and you can even record video to an external drive. And finally, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. iPhone 15 Pro Max is the most powerful iPhone that has ever been released, and we're about to unbox the natural titanium finish together. This phone has a 6.7-inch display and is powered by the A17 chip, which makes it a powerhouse for gaming. They demoed Resident Evil Village, and it looked incredible on iPhone 15 Pro. There is a camera-related difference between the Pro and the Pro Max. You have the equivalent of 7 Pro lenses in the camera system with what they're calling a tetra prism design, which changes the way light moves through the camera to give you more focal lengths for your photography. And with the Pro Max version, you actually get a 5x telephoto camera at 120 millimeters, expanding on the 3x telephoto on the Pro version, which is going to give you some more versatility for macro close-up shots or action shots. What do you think of the iPhone 15 lineup? I know that was just a very short overview, and there's so much more to go, so if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. My name is Drew Kozub. Thanks so much for watching.